Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to be learning about the macrostructures of a dicot stem. So prepared for you underneath the microscope is a cross-section of a dicot stem, and today you're going to be trying to identify the xylem and the phloem, and then after you identify it, you're going to be researching a little bit to find out what the functions are for each, the xylem and the phloem. So you have your worksheet and the microscope is set up for you. So go ahead and start looking under the microscope. The first question has you draw what you see under the microscope and labeling the xylem and the phloem. So go ahead and start.
Can I see it better without this? Yes. Yes, I can. You're going to be better at drawing than me.
And feel free to ask questions if you have any questions.
Well, it says here that the xylem will be dark blue or green, and the phloem will be bright blue. It's purple and blue.
Yeah, it probably just got dyed with a different dye than what I'm used to. But the bright blue is going to be the phloem, and then the darker colored one, it may be closer to purple, is going to be the xylem.
Okay, say that again. What color is what?
Okay, so the bright blue is going to be the phloem, and the darker blue, purplish is going to be the xylem. Okay, once you finish with the first question, you can move on to the second question. It's asking you to just research a little bit online to figure out what the purpose of the phloem is, and then the third question is asking what the purpose of the xylem is.
It's harder than, oh, wait. No. Because you've dictated that you can only use EDU.
Yeah, there are no EDU sources.
If there's not, you can use a...
Oh, I found one.
Okay. So the purpose of the EDU source is to find a trusted source. So as long as it is a trusted source, edu.org is also a good one you can use. .gov is good, but it may not have the information you need. Just try to stay away from like Wikipedia. Okay, it looks like everybody is done now. I'm going to ask each one of you to describe to me what the purpose is. So, Dad,
Yes.
what is the purpose of the phloem?
My research shows that it's more responsible for transporting the nutrients in the plant.
Yes, exactly. The phloem is particularly responsible from transferring the sugars that are created in the photosynthesis cells to the sink cells, which can be the roots, the fruits, any part of the plant that doesn't photosynthesize. All right, Mom, what is the purpose of the xylem?
To transport water.
Yeah, exactly. So the xylem starts out in the roots. The roots attract a bunch of water, then pull it up through transrespiration to the leaves so that there's water for the leaves to be able to complete photosynthesis. Great job. Okay, I'm going to have you guys turn in your worksheets so that I can assess your progress in this lesson. And yeah, remember to put your names on it so that I know whose is whose. And thank you for coming to my lesson.